Another big thing in computer is install driver installation. Okay, what does it mean, driver? So I'm gonna go to this PC and then explain better, because in that way it's really better. Whenever we install the computer at first time, whenever we install Windows or any operating system, some of the computers don't detect the devices. Okay, they might not have sound. They might not detect USB recognition detection. Okay, they might really even don't somehow uh, yeah, bright or darken their screen. Okay, you can see right now it works fine for me. Or maybe some things don't work really. So that's we call it driver. Okay, whenever something is not happening to computer, for example, you have no sound, so it means the device is not detected. And we have one concept that is called driver, and the driver really do the work, and then it really familiar, and it really introduce that device to the computer. We can access it from the computer management, or and then uh, going to the device manager. And in here you can manage any devices. Now, some computers really need to be managed devices, but some computers don't. The most important part of the thing that you should install is number one is graphic. That my computer is installed right now. I already downloaded from the computer, from the website, from Acer support. So I already got it and installed it in here. And the number two is sound, of course. You need really sound. And how you can do it over here, you can update it from here too. You can disable it, you can uninstall it. Too many ways, really. Number one way is to really update and install it straight from the internet, okay? Or maybe browse from your computer. Now it has different versions. So let me go through a really things I wanted to really driver to show you. We have lots of ways of really introducing a device to computer or installing driver. Number one way is through the setup. Okay, we can just hit next, 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 and it is continue next, next, and that thing will be known to the computer, and that thing will work. This is the number one, and this is number two, that you can update it, or you can choose a file from here, and then you can install. And so the third way is really auto driver that really came these years. So you can say auto driver, and then once you type auto driver, you have it in the computer. Okay, it says auto driver, auto driver. It has lots of things to do, but really I recommend number one way to do it. So detect first time first. Detect your computer information. For example, you don't have the graphic, okay, for your computer. Whenever your computer has no graphic installed, it really works slow and doesn't have the good display, the good resolution. So you can type Acer, for example. I'm gonna type my Acer Acer, okay, Spray V3 571G. So this is it. For example, it doesn't have the graphics. So I'm gonna say graphic, okay, graphic card or graphics driver download and it'll take you to the support website. There you go. So there you go. It has Force dedicated GPU on Acer, and I can download it from these websites from the results. So anytime you download it, take care. Really be precise on x64, and I'm gonna go again to this PC. You should really be precise and understand to architecture system type 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, so download the exact setup for your computer. Graphic card download. You can say this should be a download. There you go. So lots of websites is offering that, and you can download from acerwebsite.com. Any model, any company has support community. Okay, good luck. And feel free to question anything, okay, possible about computer and request any lecture.